Yes, dear students, welcome to Diamond Group of an Institution. Myself, Mr. Shivkumar sir. So this is the 12th grade, dear students. We are going to today we are going to the 12th grade. So previous class, I taught you in the third bit. First question I taught you, dear students. Here third bit, second question we are doing. I am informing you one more time, dear students. In this exercise, third bit is there. No, in the third bit having the 10 questions. So first one I explained to you, and the second also I will explain, and third question we will do the homework that is similar to first and second, and here fourth question I want to explain. Next we will see one by one. Okay, so let us come to that, dear students. Here second question, what is the question here? Given A is equal to 7 and A13 is equal to 35, and find the common difference and S13, sum of the 13 terms is asking, dear students. Okay, let us come to the nth term of the AP is what? So A plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close B is equal to an is there. So A value is 7 plus. So this is I did here. Why? Here n is equal to 13 is there. Is there or not? 13 minus 1 is equal to what? 12. 12 into D is equal to 12. D is equal to 35. Last term, yes, 13 term is equal to is given here 35. Next step, dear students. Here 12D as it is. So 35 as it is plus 7 is become minus 7, and D is equal to 35 minus 7 is equal to 28 divided by 12. So both HCF is equal to what? 4 is there. 4 7s are 28 and 4 3s are 12. Common difference is equal to 7 by 3. He asked me here find out the common difference. So common difference came here 7 by 3. Next step, dear students, we are finding the sum of the 13th term. Already we know that last term. So that was, dear students, Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket a plus n is there. So n value is 13 by 2 in the bracket 7. First term is 7 and plus last term is 35. Both sum is equal to 42. Then the 13 divided by 2 into 42 is there. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are, so 2 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2. So here 13 is balanced, 21 is there. So 21 3s are 63, carry 6, 21 is 21, 21 plus 6 is equal to 27. Means sum of the 13th term is equal to 273, dear students. I thought you understood the second question. Let us go to the fourth question is there. Okay, fourth question I want to explain to you, dear students. Third question we will do homework. This is a very easy solution is there, dear students. In the third question what he asked here, find the value of A. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में हम D फाइंड कर रहे थे, पहले क्वेश्चन में N फाइंड कर रहे थे और थर्ड में A फाइंड करने का, लेकिन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में हमको कॉमन डिफरेंस और ये nth term we are finding. Okay, so now we are going here fourth question. What is that? Given a three terms, a third term is equal to A third term is equal to 15. Third term is equal to 15, and sum of the 10 term is equal to 125. Find out the what common difference is equal to question mark and A10 is equal to question mark. So इसमें हम D भी फाइंड करना चाहिए, D फाइंड करना चाहिए और उसके साथ हम ये फाइंड करने के बाद हमको क्या मिलेगा? nth term, ये 10th term फाइंड करने के लिए हमको आएगा. Okay, so now solution. So let us take it here. A third term is equal to 15 is there. Means A plus 2D is equal to 15. लिख सकते क्या? नहीं लिख सकते बच्चों. A third term है, means A3 means what? A plus 2D is equal to 15. So next step here, A is equal to 15 minus 2D. A is equal to 15 minus 2D. This is the equation. Okay, first equation. Here A as it is 15 minus 2D. Next, here we are taking sum of the 10th term is equal to 25. That is I am writing n upon 2 in the bracket 2A plus n minus 1 bracket close D is equal to Sn. Okay, so now here sum of the 10 term is there now. 10 upon 2 in the bracket 2A plus here 2A plus here n minus 10 is the 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. 9 into D, 9D bracket close is equal to 125. Next 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Next 2a plus 9b is equal to 125 divided by 5, dear students. 5 to the 5, 5 to the 5 5s. Next here came 2a plus 9b is equal to answer came 25. Answer came here 25, dear students. Then already you know that a 2 is there. A value is what? Here a value is 15 minus 2d is equal bracket close plus 9d is equal to here 25. So one more time, dear students. Here a value we are substituting. Here 2a is there. 2 into 15 minus d plus 9d is there. 15 to the 30 minus 2 to the 4d plus 9d is equal to 25, dear students. Next step here. Next step we are taking here 30. Sorry, here minus 4d plus 9d. Answer is 5d is equal to 25 is there, and here plus 30 is become minus 30. Common difference is equal to minus 5 by 5. Means answer we got common difference is equal to minus 1. Common difference is equal to, dear students, minus 1 we got. Okay, so now we will find out the a value. You take this one. A is equal to 15 minus 2 in the bracket minus 1. So 15 minus plus here 2. Now a is equal to, we got 17. So a is equal to 17, dear students. Now we will find out the a 10th term. So a 10th term is equal to a plus 9. Okay. So now a value is a 10th term equal to a value is 17 plus 9. Common difference is minus 1. So next 17 minus 9 on the 9. Answer we got here 8. A 10th term is equal to what? We got here 8 radians. I want to check the answer. It is right or wrong. Look at the board, dear students. Very easy is there. This is third term. Common difference. Here which question we are going? The third question. Third or fourth question we are going through. Common difference is equal to minus 1 came, dear students, and a 10th term is equal to 8 is there. This is the right answer. So one more time I want to explain this question solution, dear students. Third bit, fourth question. What is that? Given A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125, D is equal to question mark, and A10 is equal to question mark is there. So first one, A plus 2D is equal to 15. So A is equal to 15 plus 2D is become minus 2D, and this is the first equation. Here sum of the 10th term is equal to 125 is there, no? That's why n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket close d is there is equal to Sn. So n value is, this is we are taking 10 by 2 in the bracket, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Here 2a plus 9b is equal to 125. Here 2a plus 9d I wrote as it is equal to 125. This 5 is become denominator to 5 into 5, 5 to the 10, 5 5 is 25. Means 2a plus 9b is equal to 25. Then 2 as it is, this a is there or not here? This a plus we are substituting what? This is we are substituting here. Understand it? A का value हम 15 minus 2d बोल के substitution कर रहे हैं. 15 to the 13 minus 2 to the 4d plus 9d is equal to 25. Means next 30 is there, minus 4d plus 9d is equal to plus 5d is equal to 25 as it is, and plus 30 is become minus 30. D is equal to plus 25 minus 30 is equal to 5 by 5. Both are get cancelled. Common difference is equal to minus 1. Then we will find out the a 10th term. A 10th term find out करने के लिए हमको a find out करना चाहिए. इसके लिए already we know that a is equal to 15 minus 2d is there. 15 minus 2d, 15 2 is there. D value is minus 1 minus into minus plus 2 under 2. 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. Means a 10th term is equal to a plus 9d. Here a value is 17 plus 9. D is minus 1. 17 plus 2 minus 9 under 9. 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Means common difference is equal to minus 1, and a 10th term is equal to 8 is there, dear students. I thought you understood first question and the third, second question, fourth question I explained to you. In this bit, having the 10 questions are there, remaining 6 questions you will do the homework, dear students. Very easy is that. First you think everything, पहले सोचिए, क्वेश्चन पढ़िए, उसमें क्या दिया है, क्या करना चाहिए, क्या लेके क्या करना चाहिए, वो सभी आप थिंक करके क्या करना चाहिए, इस ऐसे सब क्वेश्चन को सॉल्यूशन करना चाहिए. In this bit, having the 10 question, I explained to you 3. So remaining questions, remaining 7 questions, you will do the homework, dear students. Okay, let's go to the question number. Heading question number is 4. Yes, dear students, come to the fourth question. In this bit, having the in this exercise having the 20 questions are there, we are going to the fourth question. How many terms of the AP 9, 17, so 25, so on must be taken to give a sum of the 636? Means we should be find out here what n हम find out करना चाहिए. Number of terms means we should be find out here n. और क्या दिया है, sum of 63 terms means फार्मूला कौन सा यूज करना चाहिए वो सभी आप पहले फर्स्ट डिसाइड करना चाहिए. Okay, let us come to the solution, dear students. Here, so one time you should write the sequence. It is 9 and 17 and 25, so on in that. Next, then take the values. Here, a value equal to 9 and the common difference is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. 8 is there, dear students, and the sum of the Sn is equal to, he is given 636 and he is asking n is equal to question mark. N is equal to question mark, dear students. Now here formula is there, that is n upon 2 in the bracket 2a. This is here formula is there. What is the formula? That is, I am writing here, n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 bracket close d whole bracket close is equal to Sn is the formula. So next, dear students, here n we are finding, that's why n upon 2 is there, a value is 9 and plus here n minus 1 common difference is 8 and is equal to Sn is equal to 636, dear students. Here bracket close. Close. Next, dear students, here n as it is in the bracket 2 into 9 is equal to 2 9s are 18 and plus 8 into n 8n minus 8 bracket close. Then here 636 into 2 into this 2 is become there. Next step, here n in the bracket 10 plus 8n. 10 plus 8n is equal to 10 plus 8n is equal to 6. 2 6 are 12. Carry 1 2 3 6 plus 1 7. 2 6 are 12. One more time. So 2 3 are 2 6 are 12. Carry 1 2 3 6 plus 1 7. 2 6 are 12. Next, here n into 10 is equal to 10n and plus 8 into n square equal to 8n square. And this is bring this side minus 1272 is equal to 0. Second, dear student, this step here n into 10 is equal to 10n plus into plus n into 8n square. This is plus 1272 is bring this side, this will become minus 1272. Then, dear students, you should be write the descending order here. When we are writing descending order, it is become 8n square plus 10n and minus 1272 is equal to 0. Now we are taking the n common here, 2 common, 2 we are taking the common, 2 4s are 8 n square and plus 2 5s are 10n minus 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12 is equal to 0. Now we should be split it. हम split करना चाहिए. What? Here split we should be doing. So 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 3 are 12, 13 14, carry 1, 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. One more time. Here 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 3 are 12, 13 14, carry 1, 13 and 40 carry over. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 here 2 6 are 12 and 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Next again 2 3s are 6. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Next 2 here 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, that is become 11, 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18. Next 3 we are taking, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9. So 53 is the prime number. Now 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 and minus 53 is equal to, we got here which one, plus 53 and minus 48 is equal to, we got here 636. So next step dear students, here 4n square and plus we want to know plus 53 n and minus 48 and minus 48n minus 636. इसको हम स्प्लिट करें, 5n का जगह हम इतना लें. Next here n is common in the bracket, 4n plus 53 and bracket close minus 40 minus, here we are taking 12, we are taking 12 in the bracket, 12 4s are 48 n and minus 12 53s are, here minus is there, plus 12 53s are what, 636. So next step here 4 minus 12 one factor, 4 minus 12 one factor, another one 4n minus plus 15. Then here this is n minus 12 is equal to 0 or n minus 2 is equal to 0 or here 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. Then we are considering only positive, n is equal to 12 is our answer. I want to see answer it is right or wrong dear students. Next we will go to the one more time explanation. Okay, और एक बार explain करने के लिए मैं सोचता हूँ. और इधर क्या है, answer is what, answer is the, we are going fourth question of 12 by putting 12 by putting a value is 9, common difference is 8, common difference is 8 and s is equal to 636 in the formula. This is either given. So what is the answer here? Number of terms is equal to how many are there? 12 are there. I want to explain dear students one more time. One time I want to explain, listen carefully. Question number 4 is what? How many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 so on must be taken to give a sum of the 636 is the question. Okay, the sequence is what? 9, 17, 25 so on is there. First you take the values. First a value is 9, common difference is 8, 17 minus 9 is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 636, n is equal to question mark. Then here formula is there, then substitute the value, n we are finding n upon 2 in the bracket 2, a value is 9 plus n minus 1 bracket close, common difference is 8 is equal to 636. Next n is there, n I will have here only, 9 2s are 18 plus 8 into n is equal to 8n plus 2 minus 8 bracket close is equal to 636 into 2 is there. Then here plus 18 minus 8 is equal to answer is 10, 8n is there, this n is as it is. Here when we will do the multiplication we got answer 1272. Then here n into 10 is equal to 10n, plus into plus is equal to plus, n into 8 equal to 8n square, and this will bring this as it become minus 1272 is equal to 0. When we are writing the descending order, here 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 is equal to 0. Then we are taking the two common, the HCF of 8, 10 and 1272 is 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 63s are that much came. So next 4n square is 4 into 636 is equal to 2544 came. When we have split it here 5n, हम ऐसा फैक्टराइजेशन करना चाहिए, दो नंबर लेके हम मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 2544 आना चाहिए और वही दो नंबर का एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन करें तो हमारा आंसर कितना आना चाहिए, प्लस 5n आना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट 4n स्क्वायर प्लस 53 into 48 is equal to 2544। 53 में से 48 गया तो बचेगा कितना, 5n माइनस 636। एंड 4 एंड 53 का एचसीएफ क्या है, 1 है। n स्क्वायर और n का एचसीएफ क्या है, n है। इसके लिए n into 4n is equal to 4n square plus into plus is equal to plus n into 53 is equal to 53n। Then minus 12 we should be taking 48 and 636 HCF is equal to 12 minus 12 I am taking the common, minus into plus is equal to minus 12 4 is 48 n, and we already have minus, we require the sign minus, that's why we should be taking here plus, minus into plus is equal to minus 12 53 is 636. So remaining two factors are what, n minus 12 outside one in factor is there, inside is commonly we should be taking these two are, we are taking the common 4n plus 53, then 4 n minus 12 is equal to 0 or n 4n plus 53 is equal to 0, then n is equal to 12, but we are not taking the disease because n 4n is there, it is become minus 53 and upon n is equal to what, 53 upon 4, 53 upon 4। कभी भी n कभी भी फ्रैक्शन में डेसिमल में नहीं रहेगा और नेगेटिव में भी नहीं रहेगा। इसके लिए n का वैल्यू कितना है, 12। द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इज इक्वल टू मनी आर 12। आई थॉट यू अंडरस्टूड दिस फोर्थ क्वेश्चन डियर स्टूडेंट्स। लेट अस गो टू द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन। यस डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन। सो फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट, द फर्स्ट टर्म ऑफ एन AP is 5 is there here given, and the last term is 45, means an is equal to 45 given, and the sum of those terms is equal to 400. Find the number of terms, means here we should be find out the n is of the terms and the common difference we should be find out here, common difference। हमको क्या क्या फाइंड करना है, क्या क्या वैल्यू दिया है, ऐसे पेंसिल से टिक कर लेना बच्चों। The first term of an AP is 5, means A we got, and last term means A we got, and sum of the term is 400 we got. We should find out the n is equal to question mark, dear students. Okay, after which we will find out the common difference. Look at the solution. First you should take the values here, A value. So first term is equal to what is given, it is given 5, and the last term means an is equal to is given the 45, and the sum of the nth term is equal to is given the 400. Then we should find out the n is equal to question mark and the common difference is equal to question mark। दोनों find out करना चाहिए। Okay, so now let us see here first term we know that, last term we know that, sum of the term also we know that, that's why which formula we can use here, n upon 2 in the bracket a plus l and the bracket close is equal to Sn। we should be use this formula dear students। okay, हम क्या करना चाहिए, ये फार्मूला सेकंड फार्मूला जो सम ऑफ द nth टर्म ऑफ द AP है ना, उसका लास्ट फार्मूला सेकंड फार्मूला फाइंड करना यूज करना चाहिए। नाउ n upon 2 is there and here a value is 5 and last term is 45 is there and bracket close, here is what 400। then here next step dear students, n upon 2 is there in the bracket, here 50 is equal to 400। I thought 45 plus 5 is equal to 50, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, sorry 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 25k, here is become 25n is equal to 400, then n is equal to 400 divided by 25, 25 5s are 125, 25 8s are 400, means n is equal to, we got 8, number of terms is equal to how many dear students, 8, number of terms is equal to 8। right, next we will find out the what common difference। how we can find out, we know that last term means a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close d is equal to a फार्मूला से d फाइंड कर सकते हैं। ओके, क्योंकि इसमें क्या है, इसमें d नहीं है लेकिन उसके और एक फार्मूला ना उसमें है, लेकिन इजी मेथड इससे फाइंड कीजिए। a का वैल्यू क्या है 5 एंड प्लस n we got 8 minus 1 bracket close, common difference we are finding is equal to a is equal to what is given 45। next dear students, next step here 8 minus 1 is equal to 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. 7 into D, 7 D, and is equal to 7 into D, 7 D is equal to 45 and minus 5. Here plus 5 is become minus 5. 75 here 7D is there, 7D, and D is equal to what? It is become here plus 5 is become minus 5. It is become 40. Once again 40 by 7. I want to check once again. Here A value equal to 5 is the first term is 5, and n minus 1 bracket close D is equal to A, and here 5 plus 7 minus 1 is equal to 7, 8 minus 1 is equal to 70 is equal to 45 is there, plus 5 is become so 8 minus 1 is equal to 7 is equal to 70 is equal to 45, this minus 5 it has become 40 by 7. I want to check the answer. So common difference is what? In this question 1.3 exercise, question number 6. Question number somewhere we did the mistake here. A n upon 2 is there. A plus n is equal to 16, 8 D is equal to 8 by 3 coming. So A is equal to 5 dear students, A n is equal to 45. 45 plus 5 is equal to 50, and 2 upon 5 is there, 25 under 25. N upon 2 in the bracket A plus L is equal to Sn. Sn is equal to 400 only is there. Sn is equal to 400. Find the number of term and common difference. Fifth question 1.3 exercise. Fifth question is there. Fifth question is n equal to 16. D is equal to 8 upon 3 is there. So once again, sir. Yes, dear students, I did here mistake. Sorry for that. So here n is equal to 400 is there, and divide by 25 is there, dear students. I did here mistake only. So 25 under 25, 25 under 25. The remainder here, when 25 is left, remainder is 15. 15, 150 is there, 25, 6, 150. N is equal to how much came? 16 came. Here only I did the mistake. I did the directly, that is 8 came answer previous question. But sorry, n is equal to what? 16. Now we will find out the common difference. So A plus n minus 1 bracket close is equal to D is there. Next time A. So A value is already we know that is 5 plus n value is 16 is there. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. D is equal to what? N is 45. Then 15D is equal to, dear students, 45 and minus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 is become minus 5. And common difference is equal to, we got here 45, 15. So next 5 3s are 15, 5 8s are 40. Common difference is equal to 8 by 3, dear students. I thought you understood this one. I want to explain one more time, dear students, this solution. So what is the question? The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference he is asking. So first you take the value. First term is 5 given, an last term given 45, sum of the n term equal to 400. We should be find out the n. First term we find out the number of terms n and the common difference. Then we should be use the formula this one. Why we should be use means we know that first term and the last term. So that's why we took the formula n upon 2 in the bracket. A value is 5 plus 45 is equal to 400. Then 45 plus 5 is equal to 50. So 50 को 2 से डिवीजन करने के बाद 25 आएगा. 25 into n equal to 25n is equal to 400. Then n equal to 400 divided by 25. 25 under 25 remains 15. It is become 150. 25 6 are 150. Then n is equal to 16. Now we are finding a plus in the bracket n minus 1 bracket close b is equal to an. A value is 5 plus this is already we know that 16. 16 minus 1 is equal to 15. 15 to d equal to 15d is equal to 45. Then dear students, 15d is equal to 45 plus 5 is equal to minus 5. Then common difference is equal to 40 by 15. So 5 is a 15, 5 is a 40. common difference is equal to, we got here 8 upon 3 and n equal to 16 and common difference is equal to what, dear students? Common difference is equal to 8 by 3. Let us see that, dear students. Here fifth question I explained to you. So now sixth question is there. The first and last term of the AP is 17 and 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? Means he is asking in this question SN. Next question, SN पूछ रहा है और उन्होंने क्या पूछ रहा है, n पूछ रहा है. कॉमन डिफरेंस दिया गया है, फर्स्ट टर्म दिया गया है, लास्ट टर्म में दिया गया है, वो क्वेश्चन आप होमवर्क कर लेना. और सेवंथ क्वेश्चन आल्सो, फाइंड द सम ऑफ द फर्स्ट 22 terms of the AP which D is equal to 7 and 22nd term is given 149. वो क्वेश्चन, दोनों भी क्वेश्चन आप होमवर्क करना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट पीरियड के अंदर हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 से स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं. 8 से स्टार्ट करें तो अभी 2 पीरियड में ए चैप्टर आपको कंप्लीट हो जाएगा डियर स्टूडेंट्स. आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई विल गिव द एडिशनल क्वेश्चन आल्सो एंड वी विल प्रिपेयर द टेस्ट पेपर. अभी भी 2 पीरियड के अंदर ए एक्सरसाइज पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. I thought today you understood very well. This question I did here mistake, for that sorry. So continue afterwards. I did make it the correct. This is the correct answer, dear students. Okay. Today I want to stop here only. So next period I will explain the remaining question. Thank you, dear students. Thank you.